Alright, so take 3 or 4, whatever take this is. Welcome back to Alien Isolation, where I try to get past the same fucking part over and over. And I'm gonna shoot this little fucker. Death! And run like a bitch! Run like a bitch! Ah! Oh, wait, I'm alive. Am I alive? Oh, no, I'm dead. Hi. How's it going? Oh, it's gonna hurt, isn't it? Ah! I wonder if, like, the better option is to just kill the facehugger, like, right off the bat. So I don't have to worry about that shithole fucker. That's a good idea. Shoot it? Fuck, I just almost fucked myself. Alright, I guess I can't do that. Run. Bop, bop, ba-da, bop, ba-da. Beep. Oh, hi. Oh, shit. Well. Is this still a safe zone? It is. Fantastic. I guess that facehugger only comes out after I hit the reactor, which makes sense, honestly, because it impedes your path. Obstacle. It kind of breaks the randomness of this game with its AI. Gonna go over there. So I'm not sure if I already talked about what I would do differently with the alien in terms of how it moves. I think it'd be cool if it crawled along the walls and ceiling and stuff. At least I think so. Shut the fuck up! Oh, what? Ah! 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 The fuck, yo? Didn't that? Whatever. I'd rather not use any flamethrower at all, or as little as possible. So, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna get this. Reaper might come down over there. I know I see Rupert a lot, but it's into my brain. That's why I want to call it the alien. So, we're gonna call it that. Oh. There. So what I probably should do is probably throw a noisemaker, then shoot the whatchamacallit, facehugger, and then hide in something. I think that's what I should do. Maybe the best idea? Hopefully I don't run into the alien going down this way. Alright, fucker. Run. Get it! Oh! Holy shit. Holy shit. Man, I almost fucked up hard. It knows I'm here. It's gonna get me. Oh, it's gonna get me. Oh, it's gonna get me. This blows. This blows. Hi. Okay. Good. A little spacey, a little, dizzy with, stuff. That is a really nice effect, by the way. A lot of people seem to forget the holding breath thing, how it just really makes you dizzy when the little white marks go in and out. I'm not really sure what those are called. White specks? I'm sure there's a term for that. But I need to go that way. Now. Not gonna leave me alone? Fuck. Fuck! Suck a dick! Suck it! Oh. Oh! Oh, no! It was... Oh, that blows, dude. That fucking blows. Man. I mean, this is, like, a hard part of the game, so I'm not like, oh, this is fucking boss, like, rage, it's too hard. It's like, no, it's challenging, it's just frustrating. Alright. Got it. Got these two things. Alright, so where's Rupert? I can do this pretty quickly, I imagine. Like, once Rupert's down over there, I can accomplish this. Though it'd be better if it went up to the vents first. Hi! Can you actually see me through this time? I'm still unsure. I'm still not sold on that. Why don't you go touch the reactor? See what happens. Why don't you see what happens? Bet it's cool. Bet it feels good. There you go. Good boy. I want you to fetch. Let's see what's over there while I shoot your fucking baby. Oh, I didn't do it! I didn't do it! No! Facehuggers just... They're not fun. Ugh. They're not fun. They're so small. What?! Oh, fuck you, game. You are the biggest of dicks. Why did you just kill me? Sorry, Ripley. I know you're dying multiple times, and that's gotta be terrifying and probably painful when it attacks you. But you know, this is how it's supposed to be. You get infinite lives. You'll be fine. You're Kenny. You're Kenny. You got Kenny's power. You feel everything, but you are immortal. Where's it? It's always, I think it's always been like over there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So, what you gonna do? Just gonna stare at me? Gonna hiss? Oh, I'm so scared. I have the biggest scared boner going on right now. Come on. Asshole. You check that out. Alright. Ah, this thing, man! I don't want to use flamethrower ammo because it sucks. I don't want to waste it. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause it and then we're gonna continue on. Okay, so, it'll be wild to actually get into this panel and back where I need to go, which I think is that way. Yes, through that door. Okay. In the vents. We're good. Unless it's beyond this door. We have our trusty flamethrower. On. Might be the right way. I'm not sure. Shit. Wrong way! Of course! Fuck. Right way. This is the right way. Oh god, home free. Home free! A glowing gun and home free! Why is the gun just sitting there? Why is the bow gun just sitting there? Can I have the button? Okay, I don't care! Push the button! Push button! The game was just going out of whack there. It was like, push the goddamn button! Get the fuck out, man! Get the fuck out of there, man! Alright, I'm good. Jesus. Oh, it's so nerve-wracking getting back to that point, dude.
I can destroy the nest.
Ripley, you've put yourself in enough danger today.
Really?
I can power up all the
I don't think it matters.
overload them and then initiate a reactor purge. It'll
Yep. Totally will.
Persuade you out of this, Rip. I'd just like it if you didn't die.
I mean, I haven't died. Well, I had died multiple times.
There are emergency overflow circuits that feed excess power into the local capacitor banks on each tower. If I decouple them and discharge the system, the purge will be external. The nest is right in harm's way.
I have no clue what you just said.
Neither do I.
Find something to hold on to.
Yeah, honestly, neither do I. I had no fucking idea what she was talking about. Makes sense to her. She is the engineer. I am just controlling her movements. Shitballs. Hi. Oh, fuck. Well, I may have fucked myself by getting their attention. Yeah, I might need like another checkpoint. Yeah. I mean, I'm actually curious how much health I do have. Can I flag off of him? I probably can. No, he's just gonna kill me. Okay, okay. Alright. I got it. Whatever. I got this shit. No problem. Not a problem.
Ricardo,
I got past where I needed to get past, so that's really all that matters.
Enough danger today.
So, I think in the next episode, I'm gonna overload the core.
initiate a reactor purge. It'll destroy everything.
But first, I'm gonna get talked over more about the characters.
Persuade you out of this,
Blah,
Rip.
blah, blah.
I'd just like it if you
Blah,
didn't
blah, blah. Alright.
This is what's gonna happen.
Okay, alright,
There
never
are
mind. Just
emergency
gonna continue to
overflow
talk.
circuits that
So,
feed excess power into the local
anyways.
capacitor banks on each tower. If I decouple them and discharge the system, the purge will be external. The
Hmm.
nest is right in harm's way.
Can I keep talking? I just want to wait till they're done talking.
Just find something
So-
to hold on to.
So, anyways, guys, I will see you all the next episode. Have a wonderful day or night, whatever it is for you. Bye-bye.